Good day, everyone. I would like to share how we can create exam or quizzes using Google Form and then let our students answer each questions. The good thing about this one is we can record the scores right after the students answer the questions, and we can even send them the result of the exam or the quizzes. Now, what we need to do is to go to Google search engine and then look for Google Drive. Okay, after you look for the Google Drive, you have to go to this icon, New, and then look for Google Forms. Okay, and there you go. Here is our tab when we are using, or when we are when we want to create a Google exam or quizzes. So you have here, as you can see, we have untitled form. So if you want to make an exam for math, say for example math 4/1, okay, unit test 1, and then there you go, it can automatically be written here, and then you can make a description. Example, this is chapter 1. Okay, there you go. And do not forget to look at these icons for settings. And then if you want to collect emails, you can do that. But I don't want to because I have already the emails for my students. Then limit to one response so that the student can only answer the questions or the exam for one response. Okay, or only one time. Then do not forget this one, quizzes. Okay, you have to tap this one to create and make this a quiz. In here, you can actually, you have the option to immediately after each submission release grade or later after manual review. So I usually do later after manual review, and then the students can see missed questions, correct answers, point values. So you can have these options for your quizzes. And then there you go. You can actually start your exam now. So the first option is actually very important because you have to create, or you have to ask the students to write their name. Okay, here in this bar. Then after that, okay, you have option here, short answer, multiple choices. So since we are asking for names, short answer is the option. And then students can actually write their answers here. And then right after that, okay, if you have student number, usually I have student number so that easier for me to record their scores. So I usually add number or student number. Then the same thing, short answer. And there you go. Then you can start making your questions now. Say for example, I have here um, made 1. So I'll just copy this one. Okay, say for example, number 3. Okay, 6 million. I just need to copy this one and paste it here to make it the question number 1. Okay, and the questions, the question is 6,900,204 can be written in standard form as. There you go. So you can have multiple choice as the option. Now we have here letter A. Okay, copy, paste it here. Letter B, I'll paste it here. Letter C, I'll paste it here. And the last one, letter D, I'll paste it here. Okay. Now, since we have already created item number 1, okay, so the answer for this question is, okay, 6,900,204 can be written in standard form as, okay, letter B, right? So we need to make an answer key for this one also. So do not forget in your settings to make this one as, okay, limit to 1 response, quizzes. Make this a quiz and then save. There you go. So there you go. You have now the option to give the answer key, and click this answer key, and then the answer is letter B. There you go, and click done. You can also add some feedback, like say for example, no, the correct answer is B, and the likes. Okay. So there you go. So no, the correct answer is B. If the students will answer letter A, okay. The students will answer letter C, letter D. There you go. They will see this one. And just click done. So there you go. And then if you want to add another item, just click this plus sign. Okay, so you can type question number 2 and the option for like A, B, C, D. The good thing about this one is you can have other choices also, like if you want to do check boxes. Okay, now from circles, this one is, or are, this one are boxes. Okay, so there you go. Now, if you want the students to, say for example, write their name, and you will require them to write their name so that they cannot go to another tab, or for the next row of questions, you have to do this one. Click as required, then you go. And then student number, click as required. There you go. And that's it. That's how you make an exam or quizzes for using Google Form. Then you can send this one to your students, or you can make a link. Make a link for this one. Okay, where's that? There you go. So that is how you make exam for our students. I hope you learned something from this video.